Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm back with another dessert, and this one is a no-bake dessert. It's a super quick, super easy to make. You do need to chill it overnight in the fridge, but at the end the result is so worth it. It's refreshing, creamy, sweet, and it's based on biscuit. And it's very nice, soft, melt in your mouth, absolutely heavenly and divine. So let's show you guys how to make it.
To make this recipe, you need 6 ingredients, so 200 to 250 grams of biscuit. This would also depend on the mold you're using. 4 to 5 rings of pineapple, and this will be used for the cream, and 2 just for garnishing. 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk, a can of cream, this is 160 grams, a cup of whipping cream, and finally this is the juice the syrup from the canned pineapple that we will use to wet the biscuit. So our first step, in a blender we're putting 5 rings of pineapple, the sweetened condensed milk, and the cream. And we're just going to blend everything until we get a smooth consistency. So as you can see, this is the result. It's a smooth and creamy consistency. So now we're going to move to our next step. So our next step is we're going to, in a bowl, pour the cup of whipping cream. And we're going to whip it a little bit and then start adding in the mixture. So now that we've whipped it a little bit, we're going to start to slowly add in the pineapple, cream, condensed milk mixture little by little and incorporate it into the whipped cream. So after we've mixed everything together, we're going to move to our next step. So in our mold, we're going to take the biscuit and just dip it into the pineapple syrup. And we're going to do 2 layers of biscuit. So now we're going to gently pour a little bit of the mixture on top. So now that I've tried to coat it evenly, make sure that everything is spread evenly and well coated, we're going to repeat this process once again. But first, we're just going to put the pineapple, these 2 rings that we've cut into smaller chunks, we're just going to put them over here. So just spread them randomly, and we're going to repeat the same process with the biscuit. Once again, 2 layers, and we're going to continue layering until we run out of the cream mixture. So we've put 2 layers of biscuit. Now we're going to add cream. And just try to even it out with a spatula. So once we've run out of the cream mixture, we're going to decorate it using pineapple rings that we've cut in half. So we're just going to put them here on top. So now we're just going to cover it with plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge overnight.
So it's the next day, and we just took it out of the fridge. Now we're just going to remove it, remove the plastic wrap, and slice into it and serve it, of course. You can decorate it however you want, with some nuts, cherries, anything you want. It's really up to you. The possibilities are endless. But we're going to leave it as it is because I think that pineapple on its own is enough for us. So this is what it looks like after it's been chilling in the fridge. We've cut a slice, and as you can see, it holds its shape pretty well. And it's nice, cold, and refreshing. And since it's summer, we're all looking just for something to cool us down. So as you can see, it cuts really well as well. The taste is it's nice, sweet, creamy, and also, as I mentioned earlier, refreshing. The texture of biscuit is very soft, and it's a melt in your mouth kind of dessert. Those are my favorite types of dessert, and also you get those little pieces of pineapple in between. They give this nice variation in texture. which is always welcome. So it's a very nice dessert to make, cheap, easy, and it's very beautiful. Highly recommend it. So this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.